Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Today my video is for unboxing of Galaxy Buds Plus. Before I did unboxing of Samsung S20 Plus 5G, link in description, you can go and watch that video. So I already unboxed and set up my new Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So we will do unboxing of my Buds Plus and setup to my phone together. Okay guys, come on, let's do it and start unboxing. So first let's take a detailed look. You can see seal and it's packed, and you can see the sides. This is the front. Okay guys, first thing I'm gonna do is to lift up the cover. Okay guys, so some accessories in the box, in this small box, and something hiding there in the under the cover. Okay, first we will check this. So first thing we're gonna look in the inside of the box is, you can also see this is Type-C USB charging cable. You can charge your earbuds by this easily. You can connect this to an adapter and you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Okay guys, the second thing we have in the box is different sizes of ear tips for our Buds Plus to fit in our ears perfectly guys. Okay, there are two different sizes in the box and one is attached, so we have total 3 different sizes of ear tips. You can change whatever fits in your ear. Okay guys, so this second thing which is Samsung hiding under the cover is, we will check this. What is this inside? This is some booklets. Yeah, this is the quick start guide, and you can start your device by reading some of the important information written here. Okay, and second is warranty card. This is from Samsung and this is this warranty card. Okay, this is empty. Okay, we will put this aside, these all the items. Okay guys, now come to the main thing, that is our Buds Plus. Take out the box, put the box aside because it's empty now. Okay guys, okay, so take the white paper out. Yeah, these are Buds Plus, you can see, and this is for the first time. Before, the earbuds was in matte look, but this time we have the shiny look. This is the USB port at the back to charge our earbuds Plus. And okay, so guys, see how it looks inside. First we open the case like this. You can see. You can see this red light ons. This is the right ear and this is for the left ear. Okay, when we off this, the green light ons for just a second and it will turn off and the case starts to charge our Buds Plus again. Okay, so let's start with the setup with my Samsung S20 Plus 5G. Okay guys, let's start. Which unboxing you have already watched, or if you don't watch, link in description and you can watch there. Let's talk about some features which Samsung has given in the Buds Plus. So the battery life is so quick. You can charge for 3 minutes and you can use for 60 minutes. Okay guys, okay, so the newest and the very important features of Buds Plus is it have 2 more microphones. Before we have 1 microphone internal, but this time we have 2 external microphones for better call quality. So in this we have 3 microphones. In other versions we had only 1. See closely. Okay. It doesn't have the noise cancellation feature, which I really miss, but it's okay. It have ambient sound. So this quality is also good. Let's connect this to the Samsung S20 Plus and see what is happening. Okay guys. So okay guys, let's start pairing up our device with the smartphone. Okay. See what happens when I open the Buds Plus case. It shows me an animation to connect my earbuds with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Okay, let's start with the pairing. Connect, allow. Okay, it pairs. Okay, manage phone calls. Yes, allow. Yes, allow. Education is allowed. Media is allowed. Everything is allowed, guys. So okay, sorry. My internet was not working, but now I started. Okay, retry. Okay, it's setting up your phone. First time we installing this, and it's showing 97% app to install. Okay guys, we have to select allow. For the calendar, allow. Phone calls, yes. SMS, yes, allow. Okay, we have to agree. For they congratulates us. Congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Plus. Okay guys, agree. Stay in touch with your surroundings. Next. Okay, got it. Okay guys, it's connecting. It's done. Yeah, great. Okay, this is the Samsung Galaxy Wearables app. It is available on Galaxy Store. You can download and sometimes it is already downloaded in your mobile phones from the Samsung. Yeah. Okay. The case is 60% charged and the Buds Plus are 94% charged already in the packing. Get to know your earbuds. Let's go. Okay, these are the tips guys for using touchpad, for the ambient sound, for the charging with your phone, and case battery levels, and the last is pair with your phone or tablet. Okay, we have these tips you can see when you are connecting. Okay, clean your earbuds regularly to make sure you are always getting full volume and rich balanced sound. Okay, we will. A tight seal gives you better sound and mic performance. If you are getting the audio or call quality you expect, try using bigger ear tips. Actually it's written because we all have different sizes of our ears, so you can fit your requirement. Okay, next is okay. This is you can switch your earbuds quickly to nearby devices without disconnecting them or turning. Yeah, you can without if you don't want to use this earbuds with your Samsung Galaxy, you just lock the screen, close the lid of the case, again open the lid and you can see in your other phone, the other phone showing to pair this. If you allow that, then it's also pair with your other phone. Okay guys, okay, first unlock this device. Okay, when we open this, what happens? See, yeah, it connects quickly. It's so quick. This is the most important and loving feature, I think, that whenever I open this, it quickly connects this. Okay, next is, okay, we are done with everything, tips and everything, and this setup with our phone. This is the ambient sound equalizer. These are the read notifications allowed. You can do the settings in the you can do the settings, touchpad, advanced, find my earbuds, general. You can do everything according to your preference. Whatever you like, you can do the settings. Okay guys, this is the earbuds, Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and I connect them with my S20 Plus. Yes, so guys, you can see it is connected. When I close the lid, it disconnected. Okay, again you connect, this shows. It's very quick and very easy to use. Okay guys, so that's for now. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much. For more videos, link in description for the S20 Plus unboxing and the setup. And if you are on Instagram and Facebook, follow me. Thank you. Bye bye. Tata.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.